Look at you. You want to finish all your money on natural hair care product, abi? You think it's product that grows hair?
Yeah, I was hoping.
Hi everyone. This is for you. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see in the thumbnail, in the title of this video is all about cutting down your budget. If you're growing your hair, you need this video. This video is talking about how you can cut the budget of your hair care products. I will go to the store to buy hair care products and I will buy 2 or 3 conditioners. I will try one for 1 week, and after 1 week I would conclude that it does not work, probably because I have not seen the results. I will discard it or dump it somewhere, and then I'll try another one. After another week I will discard it, and then I will go back to go and look for another one because the ones I bought does not work. The reason is because I haven't even tried it for long enough to know whether it works or not. And that's the same problem with some of you people right here now watching me. You bought this product and you have used it for only 2 weeks, and you've already concluded that this product does not work. If you buy a product, you have to like use it for 2 months at least to know whether it works or not. We have some of us have turned ourselves to lab rats. We experiment everything. We want to experiment everything, every conditioner, every shampoo in the market. We want to experiment everything. Like, we want something that will just grow my hair overnight. I'll just go and sleep, and the next day my hair is already down to my butt. On the internet right now, you will see clickbait. You will see people telling you use this product and the next day, or use this product for 2 weeks, your hair will grow. Because they know that most people here gullible. People are really gullible. People are looking for shortcuts. They want something that will grow their hair the next day, or use it for 2 days, your hair will grow. But there is nothing like that at all. There is nothing like that. Growing your hair is patience and it's time. Mostly time. Product does not grow hair. Mostly time. Because you know why I said mostly time? Whether or not you use products, your hair will grow. You retaining the length depends on your practices. But as of growth, your hair is going to grow. Whether you put products or not, your hair is still going to grow. The reason why it seems like your hair is not growing is because you're not retaining the length. It's probably breaking off. It is breaking more than it is growing. So that is why. But your hair grows. So one way for you to cut down your budget is to stay away from experimenting. Just buy one product like this and use it until it is finished. Use that product until it's finished before you buy another one. Don't go on experimenting on every product you see online. You see people doing their business, advertising their products. They will tell you use this product and your hair will grow. But you now, you have conditioner, you have shampoo, you have everything at home. But you think it's not working, and you think it's that one that this person is telling you to buy that will work. So you have gone to buy it again and you're piling it up. At the end of the day, you are spending more than you're earning. I'm here to tell you to stop experimenting. You're not the lab rat. Stop experimenting. Stick to one product. Another way you can cut down your budget is to try out DIY. Start trying out DIY. You know what DIY means? Do it yourself. Start doing it yourself. Every time I make hair butters, I make hair oil. While I was in school, I was selling hair oil. I made it myself, which consists of herbs and oils ranging from coconut oil to olive oil to avocado oil. I mix everything together and I make hair oils for people to buy. You tell me you can do so, you can do that. So You can start from doing it yourself, DIY. You don't have to buy everything from the store. You see people doing conditioner, you see people doing hair growth, or you see people doing protein treatment using eggs, using avocados. Why are you not trying it? Why won't you try out your DIYs? Whip up butter for yourself. Do hair growth, or you go and buy your herbs, buy your butters. You don't have to be online. Use your local stores. Use your local stores, buy all your ingredients and do it yourself. Make your hair yourself. This point is for me more. So another way you can cut down your budget is by making your hair yourself. This hair, I didn't make it by myself, and I spent a lot to get it. Let's just assume I know how to do my hair by myself. I'll probably not spend that money I spent to get this hair done. And that is why I want to learn how to do my hair. I can do twists. I can do twists with my hair. I can do that one. I can do cornrow, but it's not going to be neat. But as of this style, with extension, I can't do it. So it is going to be of most benefit to you all out there if you start doing your hair by yourself. If you do your hair by yourself, you are cutting down the money you have to spend on your hair. So I advise you out there to learn how to do your hair, and I also advise myself, learn how to do your hair. Learn how to do your hair. I am advising myself, I will learn how to do my hair to cut down the budget. By doing so, you don't have to pay this person to do your hair. It pays to do your hair by yourself. You can also cut down your budget by using less products. What do I mean by using less products? You know, less is more. I've come to realize that less is more. You do not have to empty the whole bottle on your hair for your hair to be soft. More is less. If you get a product that works for you, little goes a long way. From a sister to another sister, this is for you. If you don't have any products, if you don't have money to afford any product, just get your shea butter, get water, hydrate your hair, and then use butter to seal it in. Do you know how I don't know how to say this, but your hair actually grow more when you do nothing, when you just leave it alone. All you need to do is hydrate it with water and then seal it in. Sealing it in so it won't escape, because if you just pour it on your hair, when you go outside, it's going to dry up. But when you put like a butter on it, it adds like a barrier. It prevents your hair from the sun, so it won't dry up. So all you need to do is just get your butter. If you don't want to do too much, if you don't have money for products, just get water and just get butter, any grease at all. Shea butter is okay. Shea butter is not expensive. You can get your shea butter and your water. Hydrate your hair and then apply shea butter. This is from a sister to another sister. I hope I've been able to convince you that doing less is more, and you do not have to buy the most expensive product to grow your hair. Buy what you can afford and stick to your routine. You're going to see the growth. Thank you, my love, and see you in my next video. Have a lovely day from me to you. Bye.